welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about YouTube and a new feature to me. It's been around for a while, but this is something I've started to use. A new feature to me that is called timestamps or chapters. And what it is when you're watching a video, let's say it's one of my tutorials. If you're watching a video, I can add timestamps to it. So let's say you want to skip the introduction and you want to go straight to the tutorial where I start crocheting and you're not worried about the bit at the front. I can add a timestamp that will show up underneath the video and also in the description box, and it will say where you can skip sections of the video. And also too, let's say you watch something and you think, oh, I've got to watch that again. You can go back to that timestamp. So go back in the video and click that timestamp and start that section again. So let's say it is adding the handles on a bag. So if you've added the handles or you've watched adding the handles and you're like, oh, I need to watch that again so it sinks in. That's me. I have to watch that thing 5,000 times. You literally click where it says attaching handles and the video will go back to that section. So you can go like backwards and forwards in the video really easily without having to scroll, which can be annoying. So I'm working through my videos very, very slowly because so much happens here at Crochet with Clare headquarters. It's insane. It's literally like juggling, 10 balls at once. So what I'm asking for is your help, that if you watch one of my video tutorials, or even if it's not a tutorial, if you're watching it, when the video changes, so let's say it's a crochet tutorial and I'm chatting at the beginning and then I start the crochet tutorial. So I say, okay, grab your hook, grab your yarn, and we're going to start. If what I'm asking you, if you could, in the comments section, just leave a comment that says at the 3-minute mark of the video, you start the tutorial. And then as you're watching the tutorial, go through, and so the next section might be round 1 or round 2 or row 1, row 2, whatever. Put that in the leave that in your comment as well. So it might say at the 3-minute mark, we start round 1. At the 4-minute mark, we start round 2. So things like that. And then I've gone blank. I'm trying to think what else would be in a tutorial. So for instance, the last tutorial that I did was the crochet project bag. So we started off making pockets. Was it pockets or was it the side? It doesn't matter. So whatever it was, so at the 3-minute mark, we started making the sides. At the 4-minute mark, we started making the pockets. At the 5-minute mark, or if it's say like a 5.23 seconds, at like 5-minute and 23-second mark, put that in too. So like 5.23, I started talking about handles, like things like that. It would help me and save me so much time just to have someone who's already watching tutorials to just jot that down in the comments. Like, you have no idea. I literally have to sit there and watch the video. So let's say it's a 45-minute video. I have to sit there and watch the whole thing, which I sound really ungrateful for that. But that's another 45 minutes out of my day where I could be editing a tutorial. I could have like a quarter of a tutorial edited in that time if it's a short one. So if you're just going to watch the video anyway, if you could leave that in the comments section of where the different changes are in the video, I would love you forever, seriously. I wish I could pay someone to do it, but unfortunately, YouTube, you don't make millions of dollars. YouTube, you really do it for the fun. And because you like doing it, and you know me, I love crochet, so that's why I do this. So yeah, so not only would it help me, it would help other people as well, because when they're watching the video and they're like, oh God, she's chatting so much, which is a common comment. Will you stop talking and just get to the tutorial? They can do that. If they don't want to listen to the chat, they can go, all right, here's where she starts crocheting, I'm going to click that and it's going to jump to that part in the video. It's a really awesome feature that YouTube has, and I really want to implement it into my videos, but YouTube told me like the other day, I think I'm like 12 videos away from 1,000. What? Obviously they're not all tutorials, but there are a lot of videos with tutorials. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm asking for. If you could help me with the timestamp, so if you're watching anyway, just leave a comment down below. All my new videos that are coming out, so from now on, from when you watch this video, they are going to have timestamps. I am going to sit there and do it myself when I'm like uploading to YouTube and doing all the things behind the scenes. That is going to be now going to be part of my process to get a YouTube video out for you guys. So I will have to sit there and watch my tutorial again, because I've already watched it at least once before that to edit, and then I've watched it like 3,000 times when I'm editing, because I'm like watching it, going back, watching it, going back, making sure it's perfect. Well, close enough to perfect. So yeah, if you could do that, oh my goodness, like I'd be forever grateful. I really would. So I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today is Saturday and it's almost 4:30. I've got more work to do, so I better get back to that. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and I hope you are getting some crochet in. I have not done any crochet today, and I want to crochet today. I feel like I need to crochet. I need to chill. I need to crochet, so I reckon I've got another hour and a half up my sleeve of work. I'm going to go sit on the couch for half an hour and just do some stitching to relax. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye. Happy crochet. I have no idea how to get out of here. I think I say that on every video that's like this. Okay, I found the button. Bye.